In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize payment options in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your existing process, getting your payment settings right can save you time and help provide a seamless booking experience for your clients. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to connect a payment processor to your Acuity Scheduling account. Start by logging into your account and look for the Payment Settings tab in the left-hand menu. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice there's a choice of payment processors you can connect to. You have the option between Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Simply follow the prompts to link your existing account or create a new one. A quick tip here. Acuity allows you to connect to PayPal in addition to either Stripe or Square, but you won't be able to have both Stripe and Square active at the same time. So, choose the processor that best meets your needs and offers the most convenience for your business. Once you've got your payment processor connected, it's time to customize how payments will work for your appointments. Still in the payment settings menu, you'll find options to fine-tune payment rules for all your appointments. Or if you prefer, you can set unique conditions for each appointment type. If you're looking to keep things consistent across the board, you'll want to toggle on the feature labeled "Use the same method for all appointment types." Once that's done, you can easily select your preferred payment option. If you'd like more flexibility and want to tailor payment settings based on individual appointment types, simply toggle off the aforementioned feature. This allows you to go in and configure each appointment type according to what fits best with your business model and client expectations. Here, you have several options to consider. You might want to collect deposits or full payments at the time of booking, which is great for ensuring commitment from your clients. Alternatively, you can opt to collect and save credit card details without charging the client immediately, offering a good balance between securing a booking and providing flexibility. There's also the option not to require payment information up front, allowing clients to book without any initial payment commitment. Additionally, if you want to offer your clients the option to tip, you can turn on the feature that allows clients to tip extra when they pay in full. Once you're satisfied with your payment settings, don't forget to hit save to apply all your selections. This is an important step to ensure all changes are recorded and take effect. For those of you offering more complex services or looking to enhance client loyalty, you can also explore the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions menu. This feature enables you to set up recurring payments or memberships, adding an extra layer of service options for your clients. With these steps completed, your payment process should be seamlessly integrated into your scheduling, simplifying your workflow and enhancing the booking experience for your clients.